Hi guys, it's Tara here from ABI, and today I'm in Blue Mountain Heights outside Saguaro, which is a Palm Springs mid-century modern inspired home. Let's go check it out. So we're entering the house through this little Zen Garden area. This is a desert-inspired little oasis that they've tucked in here. It actually serves as the backdrop for the kitchen through that window there, which you'll see soon. But then on the other side of that wall there, they've still got that traditional lawn front yard, so they've got the best of both worlds. And in we go. Straight away, we've got this beautiful Jive Vasicek artwork, setting a nice warm tonal palette for the home. So just like the artwork throughout this home has this real warm, summery palette, and it's brought to life by the finishes. So this floor, I don't believe I've ever seen a floor like this before. It's actually a micro cement floor, which gives it this super warm, grounded feeling. And then the house is wrapped in white. You've got these 10-foot high ceilings, which just completely open it up. The decor is all hinting towards that Palm Springs inspiration. So we've got this cactus silk cushions and nice earthy linens. And here we have the kitchen. So spacious. You've got a butler's pantry tucked behind the corner there. This beautiful paneling along the front, and then of course the brush brass to top it all off. So down this hall is the access to the quadruple garage. And through here is something super fun, the entertainment room. So we've got a fully equipped bar. And I just love this because pool table green is not the vibe. So they have created this custom built pool table, which is just gorgeous. And then you have the cinema room. And if you have a look up here, I'm guessing get absolutely out of town. You can close it off and have a completely dark cinema experience. That is incredible. What an addition to this home. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Another really excellent way that they've introduced some subtle mid-century modern elements is through this use of vertical line textures in all of the doors. So you'll notice in every door and most of the cabinetry, it features this VJ texture. Got a beautiful view down to a nice big cactus out the back there, very fitting for the home. 2 spare bedrooms over here. And in we go to the master. They've got this gorgeous linen again, very similar to the couch that we saw in the living room. Beautiful big walk-in robe and the ensuite. Holy dilly, there's just so much space in here, and I love that that's been made possible. But the entire area being a wet room, there's no screen on the shower. You've got this limestone crazy paved flooring, and then this beautiful linear skylight right next to the shower head. What an extravagant place to have a shower. And then this has got to be the hero, of course, this bathtub with that view. What a space. So we've got a ton of storage down this hallway, just an excellent use of space. And then there's a lot to take in. So we have a powder room off to my left and the main bathroom off to my right. Now I love the introduction of this grey Kit Kat tile and the terrazzo look large format together. Those tiles just work so well together and they really help to make that brushed brass pop. And through here is the laundry. Got that same Kit Kat tile coming through, just creating cohesion again. And I love to see it, a laundry rail over the sink. This is just such a functional addition to any laundry. Finally, we get to the outdoor living area. That crazy paved limestone comes back in the flooring out here. We've got some beautiful outdoor decor pieces, an infinity pool and a fire pit. Now this home might be inspired by Palm Springs, but I tell you what's better than a Palm Springs home is one that is located here, because nothing in the world beats that view. Thanks for coming on another house tour with ABI Interiors, guys. This has just been amazing. I hope you liked it as much as I did. Let us know what you thought in the comments, and we'll see you next time.